Fireman outfit. In this video we are going to see how much time it will take to wear a fireman outfit. I have the firefighting equipment ready, so all the firefighting items is here, and now we will start wearing and check how much time it is taking to wear the fireman outfit. This is the trouser, so we will wear it. During the drill you should practice always. If you are one of the firefighters, you should always practice this wearing. Practice makes you wear more faster. People might help you to wear fast, but you should always wear without any assistance. If people are assisting you, that is different thing, but you should know how to wear this without any assistance. So here we have everything ready. I will just remove. So here we have everything ready, and now we are ready. You see how much time we have taken. So when you are doing the drills, you have to practice wearing of the fireman outfit, so that the time duration will be reduced, and you will effectively wear the fireman outfit in case of fire. Thank you.